Withdrawing money from your Epic Games account after an account review can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have completed any necessary account verification processes. Step 2. Navigate to the account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. You can find this option by clicking on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Check your account balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Select withdrawal option. Find the withdrawal option within the account settings. This may be labeled as withdraw funds or something similar. Click on this option to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 5. Complete the withdrawal form. Fill out any required information in the withdrawal form, including your payment method and the amount you wish to withdraw. Review your details and submit the form to finalize your withdrawal request. After completing these steps, you should receive confirmation of your withdrawal request. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding the status of your transaction.